The difference you have to know about the two things. हो सकता है यासिन साहब कुछ और सोच रहे होंगे, आप कुछ और सोच रहे हैं. Big difference between two things. When you have the same situation, react or respond. We always react. हमने कभी भी बच्चों की बात को सुनने के बाद रिएक्ट किया, रिस्पॉन्ड किया है? ऑलवेज रिएक्ट. ग्लास टूट जाए, कैसे टूटा? रिएक्ट. वो बोल रहे हैं ऐसे टूटा भाई, दबक के बैठ जाओ. उसको तो अब चाइल्ड नीड्स सेफ्टी, उसको सिक्योरिटी नहीं है, सेफ्टी चाहिए. उस वक्त मुझे बचाओ, कहीं ऐसा नहीं मैं जख्मी हो रहा, हम उसको उल्टा डांट रहे हैं. Whenever you see the cockroach in your kitchen, your family members will start crying.
Yeah.
This is the reaction. Then will not respond it. How to finish?
Actually,
Whatever the situations we have been facing in our life, social life, business life, family life, domestic life, matrimonial life, azwaji zindagi jo hoti hai, we always react. We never respond it. We never try to understand our wife.
जज्बाती लोग.
Whatever minhasul qawm.
नहीं sir, actually,
हाँ.
well, that is the thing you were telling in the start. That we are always in depression and in a state of
Depression, frustration.
frustration.
हाँ.
So whenever thing happens, instead we respond, we react.
Yes. Now finally you got it. In a state, we always react it. We never respond it, understand it, what's happening with us, and we have to respond well positively, then hold the situation. Getting the Hassan साहब, गुस्से को पालना सीखो. गुस्से को पालना सीख लोगे तो you will respond it. और गुस्से को पालना नहीं सीखा तो you always react.
तो समझ है ना?
Actually, as being a professional, we have to discuss.
समझ वही समझ. उससे वो पी जाना, पालना.
Then how to respond, how to overcome this situation, how to take me out from this situation, what is the solution of it. Otherwise, the purpose of sitting here is very simple. We have to improve our communication skills. But why not you, the people those are sitting here as a manager or deputy manager, those want to be the director or CEO of their own company, they start their own business. So why not we push them to do be the different?